Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Eclipse IDE on your MacBook for C++ program. If you're looking to run your C++ programs using VS Code or Terminal, you can check out the playlist that just popped up. Now coming back to Eclipse, there are various ways you can set it up, but the easiest way that I've found is the one that I'm going to show you now. It doesn't require you to download any additional packages. You just need G++ compiler and Eclipse IDE, really. Now step 1 is to install the G++ compiler by going to the terminal window, typing G++ and pressing enter. Click install on the pop-up. Don't worry if you see an error message, it means that the compiler is already installed. Now step 2, fire up your browser, go to the following URL, click download on the top right, then click download again. When it says get Eclipse, click download again. After the download, open it. You'll see Eclipse installer. Double click that, click open to open the installer. You'll see various options. You're going to select IDE for C/C++ developers to go to the install window and press install. If it asks you for agreement, you can select all and accept it. To be honest, nobody really reads it. Now click on launch. After the launch, it will ask you to select a directory for the workspace. You can change it if you like, but I'm gonna use the one it has suggested. Now click on launch again. Wait for the IDE to start up. I'm going to close the installer. On welcome window, there is a plentiful of helpful resources. It might take you a couple of days to get through them, but if you wish, you could go through them, and I think they're going to help you a lot. Let's create our project now. Let's go to File, New. We're not going to go to C/C++ project, but to Project. Click C/C++ folder. In new window, click C++ project, not the C/C++. Now press next. You can select the pre-written Hello World project. I'm going to select empty to test everything out. Now we need to name our project. I'm gonna name it Hello World. That's the simplest one, I think. Now on the tool change section, you might see many compilers, but we need one for Mac OS environment. So I'm gonna select Mac OS GCC. After that, you can finish creating project, but let's click next to make sure debug and release are selected. After that, click finish to create our project. Let's go to our project. We'll see include files which are needed for C++ programs. Right click on the project, go to new, and we're gonna create a source file. Name the source file with CPP extension. Source folder is our project folder, and template is as we use the default, that's what it's showing. Now click finish to create the source file. Now you'll see default block comments on your source file. Now let's create our Hello World program. It might say you have errors in your code. Let's ignore that for now. Let's go to project and build it. You can also choose to automatically build your project. Wow, it failed and shows 2 errors. Let's save it and build it again. As we can see, it has linked and compiled. Now we're gonna execute it to test our program. Select how you want to execute it, click OK. We did it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. As always, take care and bye-bye.